Welcome, in this video we are going to learn hping3 information gathering tool called Linux. hping is a command line oriented TCP or IP packet assembler or analyzer. The interface is inspired to ping Unix command, but hping isn't only able to send ICMP echo request, it supports TCP, UDP, ICMP and raw IP protocols. Has a traceroute mode, the ability to send files between a covered channel and many other features. While hping was mainly used as a security tool in the past, it can be used in many ways by the people that don't care about security to test networks and host. A subset of the stuff you can do using hping: firewall testing, advanced port scanning, network testing using different protocols, TOS, fragmentation, manual path, MTU discovery, advanced traceroute under all supported protocols, remote OS fingerprinting, remote uptime guessing, TCP or IP stacks auditing. hping can also be useful to the students that are learning TCP or IP. Let's do some practical. So first open up terminal, active network smashing tool. So type hping3 -h. Here you can see that basic syntax hping3 host options. Options are -h show this help, -v show version, -c packet count, and so on. Mode options as -o raw IP, -i ICMP, IP option -a, spoof, spoof source address, -rand, test random destination address node. Common options are -d data, data size, -e file data from file, and so on. Let's ping duplicate package to google.com. You can use any host. Use traceroute mode. Be verbose in ICMP mode against the target. So let's do it. hping3 traceroute mode, so -- traceroute. Be verbose, so -v. In ICMP mode, so -1, and the target. You see that the packets are being sent to target. So that's it in this video in hping3 information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.